Fastcap recently released a product called the Domino sled, and I had a chance to use it to build a closet unit for somebody. I could have done it freehand with my Festool domino, which I did do for the shelf ends, but when it came to making repetitive cuts in the face of the side supports, it just worked out so much better by using the domino sled. What I was able to do was use the sled with the tool in an upright position. This gave me a positive lock for each mortise at the left and the right side of each one of my standards, my shelf standards. I was able to make those cuts, drop a flag, slide to the next shelf position, make another cut, lift up on the stop, slide it, and it locks down as it snaps into position, make my second cut, and so on. You can see I had to obviously pick up some extra flags for my Festool MFTs, but this is definitely how I'm going to be making parts like this in the future, because it was just so efficient and the assembly went very smooth.